Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video we are going to share with you the amazing health benefits of burning bay leaves in your room. Did you know that bay leaves have been used for centuries in traditional medicine for their therapeutic properties? In this video, we'll be highlighting 11 of the most compelling health benefits of burning bay leaves in your room, so sit back, relax and get ready to learn about the power of this humble herb. Burning bay leaves in your room can provide several health benefits. Bay leaves come from the bay tree, also known as Laurus nobilis, which is native to the Mediterranean region. These aromatic leaves have been used for centuries in cooking and natural medicine due to their anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and insect-repelling properties. Here are some of the health benefits of burning bay leaves in your room. Reduces stress and anxiety. The use of bay leaves can have a beneficial impact on one's mental well-being. The natural scent of bay leaves has been known to produce a relaxing effect on the mind and can help alleviate stress and anxiety. This is because the aroma of bay leaves can stimulate the amygdala, a portion of the brain that is responsible for regulating emotions and managing stress levels. Inhaling the scent of bay leaves can activate the amygdala, resulting in a calming effect on the mind and body. This makes bay leaves an effective and natural way to reduce stress and anxiety levels. Improve sleep. Bay leaves can have a positive impact on one's sleep quality. The relaxing scent of bay leaves can be effective in promoting a sense of calmness and relaxation, making it easier for individuals to fall asleep and stay asleep throughout the night. The natural aroma of bay leaves has a calming effect on the mind, which can help reduce stress and anxiety levels, two common contributors to sleep difficulties. By inhaling the scent of bay leaves, individuals can activate the amygdala, the part of the brain responsible for controlling emotions and stress levels, promoting a more relaxed state. This makes bay leaves an effective natural remedy for individuals who struggle with insomnia or have trouble sleeping through the night. Boosts the immune system. Bay leaves, the aromatic leaves commonly used in cooking, have been found to have several health benefits, particularly for the immune system. They are rich in antioxidants, which are compounds that neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, preventing oxidative damage to cells. This oxidative damage has been linked to several chronic diseases and can weaken the immune system over time. By consuming bay leaves, you can help boost your immune system, making it stronger and better equipped to fight off illness and disease. Reduces inflammation. The antioxidants present in bay leaves can help reduce inflammation in the body, which is a common factor in the development of many chronic diseases such as arthritis, heart disease, and cancer. Inflammation is a normal response of the body to injury or infection, but if it persists, it can cause harm and result in chronic health problems. By reducing inflammation, bay leaves can help protect against these diseases, promoting overall health and well-being. Repels insects. Bay leaves possess a potent aroma that makes them a natural insect repellent. The pungent scent of bay leaves has the ability to keep a variety of insects at bay, including mosquitoes and flies. By simply burning bay leaves in your living space, you can create a natural barrier that will deter insects and protect you from their bites and buzzing. This makes bay leaves an effective, safe, and eco-friendly alternative to chemical insecticides. The fragrance of bay leaves is pleasant to humans, while being unbearable for insects, making it an ideal solution for pest control. Whether you are trying to keep insects out of your home or want to enjoy a mosquito-free outdoor experience, bay leaves can help you achieve your goal in a natural way. Improves digestion. Bay leaves have been utilized for centuries as a digestive aid, and for good reason. They contain compounds that help improve the digestive process, making them an ideal addition to meals for individuals who suffer from digestive issues such as bloating and discomfort. The presence of these compounds in bay leaves can stimulate the production of digestive juices and enzymes, which play a crucial role in breaking down food and facilitating the absorption of nutrients. As a result, including bay leaves in your diet can help ensure that your digestive system is functioning optimally, leading to improved digestion and overall gut health. Not only do bay leaves aid in digestion, but they also add flavor and aroma to dishes, making them a versatile ingredient in the kitchen. Whether you're trying to improve your digestive health or simply looking to add a touch of flavor to your meals, bay leaves are an excellent option. Relieves headaches. The use of bay leaves as a natural remedy for headaches is supported by scientific evidence. The scent of these leaves has been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce swelling and pain in the head and neck. In addition, The relaxing aroma of bay leaves can help soothe the mind and reduce stress, which is a common cause of headaches. For those who suffer from migraines or other types of headaches, using bay leaves as an aromatherapy treatment can be a simple and effective way to alleviate pain and discomfort. Additionally, incorporating bay leaves into cooking or brewing them as a tea can also provide headaches relief, as the scent will be released into the air during these activities. Improves respiratory health. The use of bay leaves as a respiratory aid is rooted in traditional medicine practices and is backed by scientific research. The smoke produced by burning these leaves has a strong, aromatic scent that can help clear the airways and reduce congestion. This can make it easier to breathe, especially for those who suffer from conditions like asthma or chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD. The anti-inflammatory properties of bay leaves can also help soothe inflammation in the respiratory system, reducing symptoms of conditions like colds, flu, and allergies. Inhaling the smoke produced by burning bay leaves can be a natural way to improve respiratory health and reduce symptoms of respiratory conditions. Some people also use bay leaves as a steam therapy, adding the leaves to boiling water and inhaling the steam to help clear the airways and soothe inflammation in the respiratory system. Lowers blood sugar levels. Bay leaves have been found to be beneficial for people with diabetes, especially in lowering their blood sugar levels. A scientific study published in the Journal of Diabetes and Metabolic Disorders discovered that incorporating bay leaves into the diet of individuals with type 2 diabetes resulted in a significant reduction in their fasting blood sugar levels. This is because the compounds present in bay leaves have been shown to affect the way the body metabolizes glucose and insulin. The anti-inflammatory properties of bay leaves also play a role in regulating blood sugar levels. It is important to note that consuming bay leaves alone may not have a significant effect on blood sugar levels, and it should be used as a complementary treatment in conjunction with other diabetes medications and a healthy diet. If you have diabetes, it is always best to consult with your doctor before adding bay leaves to your diet to determine if it is safe for you and to monitor any changes in your blood sugar levels. May help with weight loss. Bay leaves have been explored for their potential to aid in weight loss efforts. A study published in the Journal of the Science of Food and Agriculture found that consuming bay leaves helped reduce body weight and body mass index, BMI, in obese mice. This suggests that bay leaves may have weight loss benefits, although more research is needed to confirm these findings in humans. The weight loss benefits of bay leaves may be attributed to its potential effects on metabolism and appetite regulation. The compounds found in bay leaves have been shown to have a positive impact on metabolism, which can help increase energy expenditure and reduce the storage of fat in the body. Additionally, consuming bay leaves may help to regulate appetite, reducing cravings and promoting feelings of fullness, which can lead to a reduction in calorie intake and overall weight loss. It is important to note that bay leaves should not be relied on as a sole solution for weight loss and should be used as part of a comprehensive weight loss program that includes a balanced diet, regular physical activity, and a healthy lifestyle. If you are looking to incorporate bay leaves into your weight loss plan, it is always best to consult with a healthcare professional to determine if it is safe and effective for you. To burn bay leaves in your room, you can place a few dry bay leaves in a small bowl and light them with a match. The leaves will begin to smolder and release their aromatic smoke. You can also add a few drops of essential oils, such as lavender or chamomile, to the bowl for added relaxation benefits. Just be sure to keep the bowl away from flammable materials and never leave it unattended. In conclusion, burning bay leaves in your room can provide several health benefits, including reducing stress and anxiety, improving sleep, boosting the immune system, improving digestion, relieving headaches, improving respiratory health, and repelling insects. The natural compounds in bay leaves can offer a wide range of health benefits, and the aroma can create a calming atmosphere and improve overall well-being. If this is your first time watching our video, check out our playlist for more health and wellness video tips. Also, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment, turn on the notification bell, and share this video. Thanks for watching.